All right, guys, I'm super excited to bring you this. This is massive in more ways than one. Check it out. It's massive. What do you think's in here? Wow. Okay. It's bikinis. It's full of bikinis. There's some screws. Now, this is the one that's going to test you. Some screws. Bikinis and screws. Meili, can you help me? I've got an assistant here. Oh, maybe I'll pick this up.
Yeah.
And you pull the box out. Oh, my girlfriend. And look, we have a head.
Oh, really?
And holes for, so, because you're not giving me enough blowjobs, I have.
Wanna see? Wanna see? No.
It's
she beautiful.
Meili fun, but doll. Oh,
Wow.
night mask.
Wow.
สวย
สวยมาก Look like me
It does a little bit. Dark.
Yeah. She's still like me.
Yeah. Oh my. Wow. It is pretty similar. Oh my god. Here, come. Bring. Come closer. Have a look at this. They're pretty similar. Oh my lord. Twins. Can I have sex with twins? All right, just getting a bit of a makeover from the one and only Meili Fun. It's your sister. It's so cool. It's even got veins in the legs. Who would you pick, guys? I don't know. Guys, with me I have the EuroVenus Hailey doll. Now, this is taking things to the next level. I'm so excited to run you guys through what I think about the doll, the features, and more importantly, what it feels like. Let's go. So this is the EuroVenus Max series. Now, some of you know I've reviewed dolls before, but I've never reviewed one with a face. Guys, this is the Hailey doll. It has makeup and hair that's actually stitched in. Like, this is very realistic. The eyes look great. The Hailey doll, I like the tan, I like the size. I'll sit it up later so you can see a bit more of the straight on, but whew, it's pretty amazing. Now with this, the quality is so high. It's got 10 layers of body painting and it's so realistic. The shape of the abs, the feel of the calves. There's like small veins. They just look so real. This is absolutely insane. And guys, not only does it feel amazing, but it's got like a flexible yoga skeleton throughout. So you can move the legs out of the way. You can bend the back a certain way. So it's super flexible for any positions you want to try. And something that I even thought about, in those positions, you may want to pull the hair, hold the hair. Guys, this is such a game changer. Came with its own little bikini outfit, sort of here, there, can still pull it to the side. 2 holes, with the back one being a bit tighter, which is just perfect. Now I can see this being ideal for guys that are in a long distance relationship, or they're in between relationships, or they just like the less hassle. Now, it honestly is a great, and it's gonna save you a great option, and it's gonna save you a lot of money in the long run if you're paying for outside sources. Guys, it's a pretty amazing experience. I have tried it myself and I have made a video, so if you want to see that, you'll have to follow one of the links below to get the full review. And guys, it's honestly a no-brainer. Head over to the website. I have a code below or on the screen head over and check out the EuroVenus sex doll. I think it's the Max series. This is the Haley. Check it out. So I actually went for the more tanned option. More tanned, slim waist, nice wide hips, big boobs. It does look scary, similar to Maylee, to be honest, but I didn't know that when I was planning it. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna give it a go. Let's see. So a lot of you might have seen Maylee Fun, the very popular Asian porn star, helping me set this up. Now, she's asleep at the moment, but what I'm thinking is, what do you think about a threesome? Me, Maylee, Haley, should we set it up? Would you guys like to see that? I think it'd be pretty fun because we can compare. Maybe we could blindfold me. Oh dude, this is sounding like a lot of fun right now. What do you think? Let me know. Now, a lot of you guys know I'm a sex coach. And one of the big things for me is I take a lot of guys from where they want to be with women. From start, it might be premature ejaculation. It might be, different techniques, like there's lots of things that masturbation is a great tool because we're practicing it, we're using it a lot. We can learn to control our pleasure levels. But this is taking it one step further and actually a really good step. So if you're trying to, say for example, one of the things that I love doing is learning to separate orgasm and ejaculation. Okay, it is possible, you can do it, and I've got a course about doing it. Now, it's actually a lot easier to do with something like a doll than it is to do with your hand. So what we're doing is we're taking our pleasure somewhere, and it's not this, so we can relax our body more and just use our hips, and we can basically, long story short, when you're peeing, you can stop it, right? When you stop pee, you can also stop your ejaculate from coming out. This is the perfect way to, honestly grow so many of your tools in the bedroom, last longer, just so much. So this is a great thing for sex coaching as well. And I have a few clients that have gone down this journey, and honestly, they've all been so stoked. Guys, I love this doll. Feels amazing, so customizable. Go head on over, give it a go. If you want to see more, make sure you follow the link. I'll give you a proper review, but I'm such a big fan, and I know you guys are going to be too. Feels so real, looks real. I wasn't sure how it's going to feel actually looking face to face, but it's nice. She comes with a little mask to save her makeup and stuff. Highly recommend. EuroVenus, smashed it. Thanks guys.